If you are in the market doing freelancing, people are concerned about leads. On YouTube, everybody is talking about how to grow and scale. But I think we people are complicated. आपने वो कुछ flashy YouTube ads देखे जिसमें promises करते हैं overnight wealth success with just few clicks. Today we are not about to expose smoke and mirror behind these scams, but today we are about to talk 5 steps that are gonna help you to get your first client. एंड जिन्होंने पर्सनली मुझे बहुत हेल्प करा था टू गॉट माय फर्स्ट क्लाइंट. ओके, स्टेप नंबर 1 इज टू मेक अ कॉन्टैक्ट एंड लिस्ट. इफ पीपल डोंट नो हु यू आर, व्हाट सर्विसेज डू यू प्रोवाइड, व्हाई विल दे अप्रोच यू? So step number 1 is to make a contact and you need a list. Now you'll say, Ankita, I don't have a list. That's the mistake. Go to your emails and check if somebody messages you. And if yes, make a list. Now all your social media accounts, your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, go to all your social media accounts and direct message people. Don't feel shame and cite that attitude, why would I message? Everything must be hard before it can be easy. And step number 2, a solid list. Approach 50 people every single day. Now it's a very realistic number. You can easily approach 50 people every single day. Now step number 3 is no advertising can be better than mouth advertising. Now here your connections make it, your behavior makes it. When you are talking with them, all these stuff, don't ask them to buy. I'm repeating, don't ask them to buy. Ask them, I am working on this list or I am solving these problems. If somebody in your connection need, you can suggest me. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? आप सेल नहीं कर रहे हो, आप यहाँ पे फेवर मांग रहे हो. And since they are your friends, and if they find someone, they'll suggest you, and this lead is surely going to convert and engage. Okay. Now step number 4, don't work for money in beginning. I know it sounds strange, but yes, don't work for money in beginning. Now you don't have a portfolio, you don't have a experience, so this step is really going to help you. What you have to do, make a list of 5 companies that are doing what you do. Stalk them everywhere, follow every social media account, comment on their post, and know every single thing. Message them, mail them like, hey, I'm Ankita, upcoming version of you. If there is ever an opportunity and you get too much work and there is overflow, I would love to service your clients. And let's see if someone making interest in your services. And always remember, if you want to work with someone, just say that you love that brand and you would love to work with them, and your creative ideas can help to solve their problems. And it will surely help you. And step number 5 and last, the better you work, the less you need to market and sell yourself. So if you work too good, you don't need to market and sell yourself. And that's the ultimate goal. There's no magic trick that's going to happen. You have to work for what you want. So put it in the time. Okay, and apply all these 5 steps and tell me in the comment section if you are getting result, because I know these steps are surely going to help you. Okay, आज के लिए इतना ही. Bye bye.